I don't wanna talk about the things we gone through, though it's hurting me now in history. I played all my cards, and that's what we've gone through. Nothing more to say, no more ends to play. The winning six it up, the losing standing small beside the victory. That is the destiny. I want to be your arms, think I belong there. A future made the chance, building it and fair. Building me a home, thinking I'll be stronger, but it was a fool playing by the rules. The guys with our time, they're not as good as I. It's someone without a kill, love is someone there. The winning takes it all, the losing has to fall. It's simple, it's a play. Why did I complain? I'll turn it hearts and kiss, like I used to kiss you. Doesn't feel the same. We didn't control me. Somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say? Rules to be a man. The gods will decide. The legs of many bound. Respect on the Sunday show. All this time is love. The game is time to kill. A lover is unafraid. How big the earth is small. The winner takes it all. I don't wanna know if it makes you feel so, and I understand. You got to shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel well. Seeing you there, no self-confidence. The winning takes it all. The winning takes it
Nice.